Hey guys, it's Maddie with Weave and Willow here. This is video 3 on how to crochet. Today we're finishing with learning how to do what is called a magic circle, as well as learn how to decrease. Let's get started. The yarn I have today is not from Hobby Lobby. This one is Mainstays. It is still 100% acrylic yarn where you will commonly find. Mainstays is a brand that Walmart carries and very easily accessible. This is a medium 4 yarn, just like the other ones we've used. This also suggests a US size I or 9 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. That is what I'm going to be using today. Feel free to use a size H or a size J if you would like to change it up. Today we're starting with what is called a magic circle. This is going to start a little bit different. Instead of looping around one finger, I'm actually going to loop around 3. Just like that. Come around, pinch. Should look something like this. This can be a bit tricky to hold initially. I want to pinch these two together. I like to use my pinky to keep the magic circle open. Again, this is a bit of a gymnastics to hold, but this is well worth knowing. We're going to take our hook, go into the magic circle, loop around it, pull through. This is a starting chain. Go ahead, loop around, pull through, loop around, pull through. This is our starting chain 1 and 2. So just like before with the other circle where we were working around the circle, we're going to continue to do the same thing while maintaining the same grip so that way we keep the circle open. We're going to do 12 double crochets inside the magic circle. Loop around, go through, loop around, pull through, loop around, pull through 2, loop around, pull through 2. That is the first double crochet stitch. Continue until you have 12 inside the magic circle. If you start to find that you are running out of space, simply take the tail and pull it a little bit. Don't pull till you completely close up. You still have space to work. I have 12 in the circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Now I'm going to close it by simply taking the tail. I'm going to pinch the work right here and pull. Do you see that? Magic. It will close up that circle so we don't have to deal with it at the end. Now we're going to slip stitch at the top to finish off the first round. Go through the first double crochet stitch, yarn over, pull through, and go ahead and pull through. You may have to continue to tighten the opening in the middle. Usually when I'm done with my work, I will go back and weave in and knot in the tail and cut it off. Chain 2, 1, 2. Round 2, we're going to increase. That is where we do 2 double crochets in each stitch across, just like you did in video 2. When you are done, you should have 24 double crochet stitches in the second round. I have 24 stitches in round 2. I see that my circle opened up a little bit more. I'm going to go ahead and close that. Take my hook out, flip it. Let's go ahead and fasten this off. I'm just finding a stitch to put my hook through. Yarn the tail over, pull through, yarn over again as if I'm starting a chain, and pull all the way through. This creates a knot. Tighten it up and cut. Now it is fastened as well as closed. Let's go back to round 2. Slip stitch at the beginning, double crochet to finish off our round, just like that. Now we're going to start a bowl type shape. So chain 1 and 2. We're going to work 1 double crochet because I don't want to continue to increase for this project. Work 1 double crochet in each stitch around to where we still have 24 double crochet stitches. Okay, I believe I have 24 double crochet stitches in each one around. I'm going to slip stitch at the beginning, double crochet again, and close off round 3. Chain 2, 1, 2, because we are still working with double crochet stitches. Now, if you flip your project sideways, you'll notice that it is starting to create a bowl. We're not getting bigger because we're not increasing. But I actually want to start to give it a little bit more shape by starting to close it. That is where we're going to start on a decrease. We're going to decrease every other stitch. I'm going to do 1 double crochet in the first stitch. And then joining together to decrease in stitches 2 and 3. What you'll do is yarn over, go into stitch 2, yarn over again and pull through. But instead of coming up and finishing for a double, we're not going to do that. We're going to join this third stitch as well. Yarn over, pull through. We should have 4 on our hook. Yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. Do you see how it took 2 stitches and created 1 right here? This is called a decrease, a double crochet decrease. Next stitch, space, we are going to do a double crochet, just 1. Next 2, we will be joining. Hook over, go through the stitch, pull through, go through the next stitch, yarn over and pull through. We have 4, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, pull through 2. Just like that. That is a decrease. This pattern calls for that to be repeated all the way around. Okay, so now round 4 is finished and starting to give us a little bit of a ball shape. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, 16. 16 stitches. Let's go ahead and slip stitch and finish this off. Chain 1, get our scissors, cut a tail, pull the tail, tighten it, and we are finished with this one. You can continue to decrease in the next round till you have no more space and can tighten this off and create a ball. If your project looks like this, awesome. If not, keep working, you'll get it. Thanks for joining me today, guys. There will continually be more how to crochet tutorials in this playlist as I go, and I will continue to add more new stitches. Thanks for joining me. Thanks for wanting to learn how to crochet. Please like, share, comment, and as well subscribe. Have a great day, guys.